Are you preparing for CAT exam? Then EduRev app is just the solution for you. Firstly, it has courses for all the main sections like quantitative aptitude, verbal ability and reading comprehension, and logical reasoning and data interpretation. Video lectures help you understand a topic and are created by some of the best teachers in the country. Detailed notes guide you for all the topics and help you learn better and faster. These quick online tests test your knowledge and take you to perfection, making you understand how clearly you learned a topic. And for a quick revision, you also get a complete crash course with video lectures for each section prepared by the best teachers. To finalize your CAT preparation, you get mock test series where you get complete analysis with all India rank and detailed solutions to every question. Not just the CAT exam, you also get mock tests for other exams like IIFT, SAT, NMAT, SNAP and others in the EduRev app. In addition to the exam preparation, EduRev app also helps you in interview preparation, offering a special course on the same, so you don't miss out on anything. So go and start using the app to get all this and a lot more in a single package of EduRev Infinity for CAT, which is available at a very affordable price. You won't find anything which is better and definitely not at a price close to this.